Good morning. Lots of clear sky here in Fargo. We're starting off our day on a pleasant note with quiet weather, dry conditions, or I should say drying conditions after yesterday's bouts of rain and even some hail that moved through the Cass and Clay County areas, and a good portion of the valley saw some rain and these storms roll through. And you can see there are some clouds as we're looking to the northeast toward the sunrise, that there are some clouds up in that direction. And in fact, north of us along the border, that's where we're looking at some rain and thunder at this point in time. So you could see those storms up along the Canadian border here this morning, and some showers. Basically, if you're along Highway 2 and north from there, you'll see those showers affecting us here this morning. So Southern Valley, we're quieter. Up to the north, that's where we've got the rain and thunder along the Nittany area in Pembina County, back over into parts of the Cavalier County area. Walhalla getting a little rain and thunder moving in, and then north and east of Grand Forks stretching over toward Thief River Falls. In between those two areas, a good little shower. And then there are some places where we're also getting some light rain too. Expanding the view, it's quiet again to the south. We've got those clear skies that we're enjoying in the Southern Valley. Temperatures are into the 50s and 60s. It's 57 degrees in Fargo. It's 63 in Crookston. Winds are out of the west and into the teens at times, a 14-mile-per-hour westerly speed in Cooperstown. And visibility is looking pretty good. 10 miles right now being reported throughout the valley. Here's a look at our hour-by-hour planner. We've got some rain and some thunder showers that are affecting the northern valley right along the Canadian border. And that's going to continue into the noon hour today. And then south and west, more sunshine that we're enjoying, and temperatures that are going to be into the 70s at that point in parts of the Southern Valley. Heading into the afternoon, just like yesterday, there's going to be enough instability around that some afternoon thunder showers may pop up in the east closer to this low. And that's where we're going to see the more active weather. The farther west you are, the quieter it will be tonight, though we can't rule out a shower. And stepping into the nighttime hours, temperatures will be starting to slide, but it should be a pretty pleasant evening. After we reach the 70s to about 80 today, we'll just slowly watch those temperatures dip down into the 60s by the 10 o'clock hour. And overnight tonight, pretty quiet. There's going to be some storms passing by to our south. It looks like it's going to roughly miss us, though. If you're down in the Sisseton, Wheaton area, you could get brushed by this. And then heading into the rest of the day tomorrow, looking really nice and warm. We're warming things up a little bit more. Heading into the noon hour, already approaching 80 degrees at that point, and many of us do see that 80-degree mark for tomorrow. Southern Valley especially, and most of us enjoying that sunshine too. The wind should not be too strong. We're looking at winds out of the west still, and at times getting into the teens, some gusts into the 20s heading into your Wednesday afternoon. So the next couple of days, relatively quiet, except for our viewers up in the Northern Valley and over to the east here today. We have that possibility, that potential for a shower, a thunder shower here. Tomorrow night will be quiet, and we'll continue that stretch into Thursday. Looking at your photo today, love this one. Love all the colors with this. This is from Saturday in the Foston area. Thanks, John, for sharing that. And a look at your 7-day planner. Again, a little active today for some. Tomorrow we warm into the 80s, and we're going to see some warming temperatures by the end of the week. We're getting close to 90 degrees on Friday, may even reach the 90-degree mark on Friday. And then heading into Saturday, temperatures really start to soar. A good lake day on Saturday with some highs in the 90s. Just be aware that there's potential for some rain and some thunder as well as we head into the weekend. Both Saturday and Sunday, a chance for some storms as we're working our way into July, and not just July, but the week of the 4th of July. So if you've got some plans, starting to see that showing up in our 7-day planner, and it's nice to see that we've got some summery weather for it too.
I like it. Good stuff. Thank you.
No need to worry about planning a summer vacation this year. That's because Hawaii is coming to Fargo today at the Go Hawaiian for Hospice event by Choice Financial.
We'll get a live report just ahead on the Valley Today.